How to fertilize a garden cheaply. Fertilizing your garden is a great way to improve the soil and ensure your plants grow well. Commercial fertilizer can be expensive and full of harmful chemicals that are toxic for the soil. You can fertilize your garden cheaply, and naturally, by using food products and plants. You can also use animal products as natural, cheap fertilizer. Fertilizing with food products. Use coffee grounds as fertilizer. Used coffee grounds contain good nutrients for plants like nitrogen, phosphoric acid, and potash. They are particularly good for blueberries, evergreens, azaleas, roses, and fruit trees. Use your own coffee grounds or ask coffee shops for their used grounds. Let the used coffee grounds dry and then scatter them like mulch over your plants. Do not use wet ones, as they will mold. Fertilize the garden with bananas. Bananas are great for providing potassium for the plants, especially roses. Bury a whole banana, or just the peel, in the top layer of soil next to rose bushes and other plants. Over time, replace the bananas with fresh ones. Add eggshells to the garden. Eggshells contain beneficial nutrients for plants like nitrogen, phosphoric acid, and calcium. Crush up eggshells in an old coffee grinder and sprinkle them on your garden soil for a natural fertilizer. Get in the habit of adding fresh ground eggshells to your soil once a week. Plant roots need a steady supply of calcium, which can be found in eggshells, to thrive. Fertilize the garden with Blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses contains carbon, iron, sulfur, potash, calcium, manganese, magnesium, and potassium, which are all great for plants. Mix Blackstrap molasses with 1 cup 236 ml Epsom salts and 1 cup 236 ml alfalfa meal. Dissolve the mixture in 4 gallons 15 L of water and then spread it on your garden. Molasses also feeds beneficial bacteria in the soil, which will keep your plants healthy and happy. Soak the garden with Epsom salts. Epsom salts are great for encouraging plant growth and seed germination. Combine 1 tablespoon 14 milliliters of Epsom salts with 1 gallon 3.7 L of water. Put the mixture in a spray bottle and apply it to the foliage in the garden. The Epsom salts can also increase fruit and flower production for roses, tomatoes, peppers, potatoes, and indoor houseplants.